Hello! In this video I will show you how to do a factory reset on Blumfeldt Garden Hero. So you have to start with opening your menu, then go to settings and click OK, and now you have to scroll down and choose factory reset and then click OK. Now you have to confirm your reset by clicking OK, and now your mower is being resetted. Let's turn it on again. And now your mower is back to its factory settings and you have to do setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.